Meaning of federal.
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 Federal. The term federal generally refers to a form of government in which power is divided between a central governing authority and smaller political units, such as states or provinces. This system is often used in countries with large territories or diverse populations, as it allows for local representation and decision-making while still maintaining a unified national identity. In the United States, for example, the federal government has certain powers outlined in the Constitution, while individual states have their own separate powers and responsibilities. The federal system aims to strike a balance between unity and diversity, promoting cooperation and coordination across different levels of government.